The island of Sri Lanka lies in the Indian Ocean to the southwest of the Bay of Bengal. The climate of Sri Lanka can be described as tropical and warm. Its position between 5 and 10 degrees north latitude endows the country with a warm climate. In the 19th and 20th centuries, Sri Lanka became a plantation economy, famous for its production and export of cinnamon, Ceylon tea and rubber, which remain trademark national exports. We are Dipped Products PLC, supplying 5% of the world's demand of non-medical hand protection solutions. We are a subsidiary of the Hales Group in Sri Lanka, a multifaceted organization which has an annual turnover in excess of $500 million. Today, using the combined experience of over 35 years of manufacturing expertise, we produce 150 million pairs of consumer and industrial gloves every year. In addition to this, we supply the medical profession with around 1 billion pieces of disposable gloves annually. DPL is a public listed company in the Colombo Stock Exchange. At DPL's manufacturing plants, R&D is given priority, with an eminent team consisting of lab technicians, engineers, chemists, and PhD qualified scientists. Our single-minded objective is to continuously improve the standards of our products while developing new and innovative hand protection solutions. Each glove produced in our factories meets consistent quality standards, which are ensured through continuous monitoring of all process parameters. DPL's manufacturing operations are spread throughout Sri Lanka. In addition to this, DPL Thailand has the capability to manufacture both natural and synthetic latex disposable gloves. Seamless integration in our supply chain from plantation to export ensures that we are in control of every step of the process. Using a host of computer control techniques, beginning from in-house design, we are able to provide a range of gloves using precision dipping techniques. Most of these systems have been developed and perfected in-house and are proprietary systems. To supplement this, sophisticated robotic control systems are deployed throughout our factories. Group-wide use of ERP resources ensures proper product planning, asset management, and competitive raw material sourcing. Today, DPL's protective handwear solutions are used around the world in over 70 countries. This global reach is extended through our marketing arm in Italy. Our gloves are made from natural rubber, nitrile, neoprene, and blends of natural and synthetic rubber. A portfolio of 100 categories of products and over 250 variants guarantees a glove for a variety of applications. In addition to major retailer audits, our products conform to EEC standards, British Retailer Consortium guidelines, US FDA 510K, food friendly and CE standards. All processes are ISO 9001-2008, ISO 13485-2003 and HACCP certified. We supply gloves for a variety of industrial applications and have products suited for every household need. Our quality management system is present throughout the manufacturing sequence, with audits from incoming raw materials to production line samples and all the way to the packing station. Each act of wearing a glove is an implicit expression of trust that the protection sought will be afforded. By building partnerships through trust and commitment, our ethos of handling you with care is augmented every day. DPL's success is defined by the conviction that we understand customer requirements and promise only realistic goals. Today, we supply our range of gloves to major brands and industries who have come to rely on the stamp of DPL quality. The environment and the mighty Hevea brasiliensis plant is the source of many of our products. Therefore, a large portion of our business is reliant on nature, and we invest heavily in conforming to international emission standards. Our green initiatives include reusing and recycling, minimizing generation of waste materials, and safe disposal of any potentially hazardous effluents. We follow and conform to ISO 14001-2004 guidelines and FSC certification, and go beyond those standards by establishing our own improved standards for effluents and emissions. By adopting nature-friendly processes and supporting sustainable practices, our manufacturing facilities meet all environmental standards and make our goal of continuously reducing our carbon footprint and energy usage a reality. Our unique First Light project has a number of ethical initiatives for creating a brighter tomorrow for the farmers and families in our supply chain. Paying fair prices for small-scale rubber farmers and assisting them to realize their potential is the cornerstone of this project. First Light also focuses on improving the quality of life for farmers in remote villages through field training, distribution of essential items, helping elders, and a wide range of initiatives impacting the lives of all members of these communities. While quality-assured products are important, it is our people and collective teamwork which delivers a promise which lifts us above the competition. Our superlative technology, coupled with the commitment and dedication of our staff, take the time-tested experience of our dynamic, cutting-edge solutions in innovative protective handwear to our international clientele. This is our potency to give you, the customer, a product made to fit your every need. DPL, handling you with care.